Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into managing bug tracking in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. We begin by creating a new board dedicated to bug tracking. This is our starting point because it provides a centralized location for all bug-related issues and conversations. Now, click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your dashboard and select New Board. Give your board a title like Bug Tracking 2025 and select Main Boards as the location. Now that we've done that, let's set up our columns. The reason we do this is to capture essential information about each bug. Click on Add Column and start with the basics: bug ID, reporter, status, priority, and due date. Remember, these columns can be customized to fit your needs. Next up, we're going to create groups. Groups in Monday.com act as categories, helping us organize bugs based on different criteria. For instance, you can create groups based on the bug's status, like New, In Progress, and Resolved. To do this, click on New Group, enter the group name, and hit Enter. Now, let's add some bugs. Click on New Item, type in the bug details corresponding to the columns you created earlier. This is crucial because it ensures you capture all necessary details about the bugs, making them easier to manage and resolve. Once we've populated the board, let's take a moment to highlight the importance of updating the status regularly. This helps us because it gives everyone involved a clear and real-time understanding of each bug's progress. To update a bug's status, simply click on the Status column of the bug and select the appropriate status. Now, let's discuss automation. Automation in Monday.com allows us to create a set of actions that trigger based on certain conditions. For example, we can set up an automation to notify a team member when a new bug is added or the status of a bug is changed. To set up automation, click on Automate on the top right of your board, select a template or create your own, and click Add to Board. So, that's it. We've navigated creating a dedicated board, adding and managing bugs, and setting up automation. Managing bug tracking in Monday.com isn't complicated once you get the hang of it. It's all about maintaining organization and communication within your team. Remember, the key is to keep your board updated and use automation to your advantage. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you in the next one.